Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do another easy abstract flower-filled flower garden painting with acrylics mixed with my pouring medium. So no brush, just acrylic paints and paper napkin. I did one yesterday in my lives and in my live stream, and few more last week. So you can check those videos too. I will put them into the description box if you are interested in this kind of painting. I'm still learning how to lift my napkin, how to add my dots for flowers, how to do some kind of negative space and a lot of other things too. So we learn together, aren't we? That's why those tutorial videos are about fluid art. You know, it's hard to always talk about all the mixing paints and pouring mediums, so you can check all links into the description box down below. And because this is quite a long process to layer my paints on and everything, and that it will not be too long for you, I will let you listen to some music while I'm doing that. If you are interested in colors that I use and brands and pouring mediums, please check description box down below. So I will be back with you with the part that I will lift my napkin and see what will happen. Bye for now. Okay, so this part is done, and now to the napkin part. As you can see, I just did some puddles of or dots for the flowers and some stripes. So now my napkin is not big enough, so I will do like this first, and like that, and I hope that there will not be a total, you know, different effect. I will just place this on like that. Okay, so now I will tap this a little bit, and today I will lift it from kind of a sky part to the part where the flowers are, and I hope that they will have the right shape today, because I still didn't completely figure out how to do these dots for the flowers and how to leave the napkin then, so this is still a challenge. But as you probably saw, this part is not hard one, you know. If you want to create some abstract painting and you think that you can draw with the brush or something. So okay, just hope that this will not affect too much. So let's try to leave that as nice as we can. Okay. dog. Oh, didn't put my napkin down quite good. Okay. Should do. Okay. I like it. So now the flowers are okay and the sky still. I could do a little better, but otherwise I think that it's really beautiful and 3D looking. And I think that if you would try to do something like that with your son, daughter, granddaughter, I don't know, because it's not so hard. I think that it's this really easy technique for beginners, and you see you get this 3D look of a grass or a field or something, and a little more pearl white I would love to have in my sky, but I can't complain at all. And the napkin looks gorgeous too. So this is almost, don't say that I'm too critical, but you know, when you see some improvements, it's nice to share with you, because that you know what I'm thinking about. And I definitely see a little improvement still that I can do on the sky, but otherwise I'm over the moon with that one. So let me take you down for a close-up. So let me show you the napkin first, just to tease you a little bit. It will be a beautiful thing to use, because you can use it like skins, and I love it. And let's move to this beauty here. Sorry. Okay, and now to this one. If I would saw that, I would not imagine that this is done with just acrylic paints mixed with pouring medium and the napkin. Would you? Gorgeous, gorgeous details. I will try to show you. This gold and white, pearl white, and those greens and everything. As I said, still have some place to improve with the sky, but otherwise I'm really over the moon. So acrylic paint and napkin created this gorgeous piece of art. Tell me what you think about it, and if you share my enthusiasm about it. And see you on the next one. Bye!